Well, hello and welcome back to a brand new video. As just saying by the start of it, I'm in South Stanley. I drove past this the other day with my dad and Uncle Alan, and obviously at the corner of my eye I say like, "Ooh, sign nature reserve," and obviously it's literally 5 minutes from work. So I thought we'll do, because I'm off the majority of this week. I'm going to head out. It is 9:30. I'm going to film a little bit of content, see what we can see. Again, it's a nature reserve. We'll see what's here, and then yeah, see where else the day will bring us. But it's a lovely day. I've got my fleece on because it's a little bit chilly. Is that actually like a little? Looks like there's like a little river down here. We'll have a little look. Off the beaten track already. It literally looks like it's an area where kids just hang about. There's one of them, what they say, death swings here. So we've got the death swing, we've got a face with eyes on it. We've got, obviously, is that the Ukraine flag on that tree? We have got a river, so we'll have a little look at the river or stream, probably the beck. Yeah, see what else there is. Ground's been quite boggy. We've got rabbits running. Here's the little beck. I mean, in all honesty, it's actually a lovely little sun trap. Already quite promising with that. We'll head back up to the track and see where this takes us. I'm hoping, obviously you can hear it now, listen. You've got the blackbird, you've got the wren, grey tit, blue tit there. You've got quite a few different birds. Obviously we're in spring, definitely in spring now with the weather. Hoping to see if we can try and hear or see a little bit more wildlife as everything starts to like spring interaction. I didn't mean to do a pun there, but I did. I'm actually starting to wonder now if I actually could have brought my car down here, because there's 10-mile-per-hour signs on the tree back there. It's a proper road. I've parked the car in a little bloody side street, walked to the entrance of here, when there's a chance I probably could have drove all the way down. Who knows, who knows. And look, I've just found a bridge. We've found a lot of bridges lately on the channel. Oh, and a bike. 2 bikes. Wow. It's actually quite a good bike, that. Wow. I mean, this bridge as well, when I look at it now, right, if I just flip the camera, we're actually leaning. We're not straight, we're leaning. It's not the safest, but yeah, bikes. How do we always find bikes beside the river? And that's rotted. Might not be that safe. We'll walk through the path that's been made by nature, by man. It's a nice little bit of tree. I am trying to find out what that bird is. Listen. That there. I'm not 100% sure what that is. I'm always learning, I'm always learning. I mean, look at this! How freaking cool is all this, man? How cool is this? This is what I want to be doing. I want to be on my days off doing stuff like this. Alright. So, right, okay, so it's down to the right. It's down to the right. So I could have parked the car here. I could have drove along and parked the car here. So all that what I thought was a nature reserve actually wasn't the nature reserve. This here is the start of the nature reserve. That. Oyster catcher. We can see if I can zoom on it. Site access sign. Another one of them death swings. I don't know why kids do it. I never ever seen the appeal of it, me. Never did. It's quite sensible as a kid. Whoa! Look at that! That would have made a hell of a noise when that fell. My God. Look at the size of that. Yeah, it's crazy the size of that. Like, that definitely would have done some damage if anyone was underneath that. You're not getting up from that. But what we have now is, oh, sorry, I thought I'd change the camera around. We have a squirrel up there. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? I can see his tail. Where's he gone? Okay, yeah, he's disappeared. Yeah, there was a squirrel up there. And then we've got another bridge with another tree fell down. There. Where's it? There. But yeah, we've got yet again another bridge. I am thinking I want to just go left today. There's a house up there. If I zoom in, there it is. Might be worth having a look. There's actually fences around it, and say that the metal council fences. So I think we'll just stick to this. I'll have a little look what's down here, and if there's anything decent, I'll bring you back. Right, so we're back on main vlogging now. We've got, we can go right down the bank, down towards the river. We'll go left. I think if we go left, that will eventually bring us to the proper bridge. But obviously while I was filming some reels, there was a buzzard flying over there, but I couldn't get it on my camera. And there is a bit what's on one of my reels. Obviously I can't include the video on here because of filming that way. There is a massive rubbish dump just being dumped all down there, and like I was saying on the video, I think it's definitely come from the houses what are just there. Might not be, but I've got a sneaky feeling it is. Right, let's see. I've got a sneaky feeling where this is going to bring us out to as well. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. I'm assuming that this is like a proper path when it's got like the little wooden steps going up. So yeah, I think I'm on the right way. And they voices off down the distance, so I must be heading in the correct way, I think, because I haven't got a Scooby-Doo where I am now. I can actually see, I can see the road, so I've gone the right way. I've gone the right way, which is good. I just need to try and oh, there we go. Buzzard. Perfect timing, perfect timing. I was just going to say it, and now I just need to work out how to get down, because I'm not 100% sure. Because it's got very, like, I mean, the path's pretty much gone now. The path is pretty much gone. The stone building there of some sort. As you heard, I stepped on rubbish, as always. Look at this. Elephant butterfly, nice. Wow. Steady. I mean, a horse has actually gone down here. So if a horse has gone down here, I can get down here. Don't say I've got to cross the river and there's not an actual path. Oh. I think I've actually got to cross the river and there's not a path. I think so. Oh dear. I take it back. I've got that path there. And then I've got here to there, which I can definitely get across that. I'll just put my phone away just so I don't fall. River, jump, completed. Yep, so we are now back on the path, the road, the track, which was obviously where I've walked all the way down there. So I'm now heading back up this way to the car. I think what I'll do, because I've only got actually 5 minutes worth of footage left to film. I filmed nearly half an hour's worth. So I think I'll leave it there. If I find anything in the meantime, I'll add it on after this. So thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Who knows where it'll be. Look at that. Red kite. There it is.